Hello world! Today we'll be taking a look at a slide presentation program called OpenSong. In this first video we'll go through the installation and initial setup of the program. It can be obtained easily enough with a Google search for OpenSong, leading to the website, download, and it is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. I use Linux, so I would download the Linux version, which I already have, so I needn't do that. On Windows, you would obviously select the Windows version, which would then be downloaded. I should have done this before to save time, but it is only 9.8 meg. At least this release of it is. I'm assuming that if you're running Linux, you know how to install files on your specific distro. On Ubuntu and its derivatives, it's really easy enough. It's just a .deb file. Double-click and, well, that's about it. Double-click and push install. There we go. Now, upon the first start of OpenSong, you'll be prompted to select where you would like its data files to be stored. This is true on Linux also. A typical OpenSong data file contains a folder of backgrounds, sets, which are XML documents that are presentations, compilation of songs, backgrounds, etc. in a specific order, your basic settings, and a database of songs. I don't particularly care where mine is, so I'll just make one there and select it. And we'll use the defaults. And we'll use the KJV Bible, and it will build an index so that we can search it quickly. There we go. If you would like more Bible translations, etc., there are a variety of ones available on the download page if you go down far enough. There we go. Amplified, King James, New International. I like New International, so let's save that. We'll come back to that later. It also has a few song packages, none of them in English. So if you want more songs, you'll have to find them by yourself. It doesn't come with very many songs, but it's enough to start out with, and to they have plenty of examples of the format. We'll get more into that in another video. Let's see. I won't do that right now. The application is virtually identical on Linux and Windows, except the Linux version has a few odd quirks which will be addressed. I believe we can select install module to install that. Whoops, OpenSong. Does it need extracting? Ah, looks like it needed extracting. Maybe. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. I'll figure out how to do that later. Let's take a look at the general settings. There are some CCLI options. I'm not sure how that works. Yes, and I was doing so well. I'm wasting a whole lot of time.